Hello YouTube. Today I show you a little bit about the Mazak and how to bring the pallet in. And this called tombstone. Tombstone got 4 sides, but before you want to rotate it, you need to be unlock it. So you unlock it, and now you can rotate it. This is how our ports in, and you engage, you put back in lock, and make sure your tombstone is 0 facing you. Now you close the door and engage. Put that button. Now you go back to your machine side. If you want to bring the pallet in, you go to MDI. So put MDI, look at the screen. That screen come up right here. You put in M912 and then hit enter. There's the enter button right here. And you can look at the machine. Okay, you run the program. See that the name of the program up right here, 201E. If you have on the memory, make sure it's on the memory. Hit that memory button right there. On. And that's my program. That's the program number. And you're ready to go. Just hit the start button. And if you like it, please subscribe. Help me do the next video. Let me show you how to take out a tool. In the carousel, there is a keypad back here. Say you want tool number 2. First of all, you need to hit that hand right there, button. Hit that hand button, and then you put the arrow up until you see tool number 2. Pick that tool number 2, and then you need to put that rotation. Then they move that tool back here for you. Before you can open that door out, you need to hit that open button. Now you can open the door. Now look at my tool. This is tool number 2 right there. If you like it, please subscribe. This machine got 80 tools. Mazak, number 1 manufacturing machine right now. Okay, see you on next video.